Your final biology exam looms just 7 days away. You're facing 22 dense chapters, 73 complex diagrams, and a rising tide of anxiety. But imagine this. You sit down, open your textbook, and every single concept effortlessly clicks into your memory, as if you possess a superhuman biological understanding. Picture no stress, zero burnout, and information sticking rapidly, not through endless rote memorization, but through supercharged retention. This unique strategy for mastering biology is so effective it ought to be outlawed. Once you grasp these methods, conventional studying will become a distant, inefficient memory. Are you ready to unlock your brain's true potential? Why does biology often feel so challenging? It's overwhelmingly complex, blending factual recall, interpreting visuals, understanding intricate processes, and remembering countless exceptions. Crucially, its traditional teaching style often makes it incredibly dull. Today, we're studying the endoplasmic reticulum. Yet, your brain learns best not from passive lectures. It truly absorbs details through engaging visuals, strong emotions, compelling narratives, clear logical connections, and deliberate practice. So, I will show you how to redesign your biology learning, effectively hitting all 5 powerful elements. Let's dive in. Here's an advanced framework for truly understanding biology. First, transform dull biology concepts into vivid mental films. You won't just memorize information. Instead, mentally simulate each process like a personalized mini-documentary playing inside your head. For instance, consider DNA replication. Picture the helicase enzyme operating like a zipper, unzipping the double helix. Visualize polymerase as a busy worker with a labeling tool, attaching new nucleotides like A, T, G, C onto a fresh strand. Then imagine ligase as a quick sealant, securing the final pieces. Why is this so effective? Your mind inherently processes and retains stories far better than disconnected facts. Don't simply memorize enzyme names. Envision a bustling molecular assembly line. Next, implement high-yield chapter prioritization, or HCP. Use this simple 3-part guideline to pinpoint exactly what deserves your focused attention. Number 1. Prioritize core concepts, the foundational knowledge such as cell structure, genetics, and evolutionary principles. Number 2. Analyze past exam papers for frequently asked topics. This truly is a goldmine for predicting what will appear. Number 3. Prioritize diagram-rich material. Illustrations consistently translate into significant points on your test. Scan your course syllabus. Mark only those areas that fit these criteria. That becomes your biology gold list. Dedicate almost all your effort here. Savvy learners aren't just studying longer. They are focusing on the right material, using smarter methods. Make sense? Third, always choose active recall over passive reading. Your brain doesn't act like a sponge that merely absorbs information. Instead, it's much more like a muscle. You strengthen it by actively challenging yourself, not just by consuming text. Implement the recall pyramid. Read a section, then shut your book. Next, jot down everything you can recall. Finally, compare your notes to the source and fill in any blanks. Repeat this. That's powerful active recall. Apply this technique after completing every new topic. For an extra boost, try explaining it to an imaginary audience. Fourth, embrace spaced repetition. It's a genuine cheat code for long-term retention. Here's a simple schedule to embed facts into your lasting memory. On day 1, grasp a new subject. On day 2, briefly review it. On day 4, review it once more. On day 7, do a rapid check. By day 14, conduct a comprehensive final review. This systematic approach explains why high achievers consistently remember their material. They are revising much more strategically. Helpful tools include Anki for digital flashcards, Notion for organizing biology notes, and a physical notebook for creating visual memory maps. Fifth, boost your understanding by visualizing with memory palaces. Struggling to recall the 10 intricate stages of meiosis? Don't just read a list. Instead, journey through them. Design a memory palace in your mind. Imagine each distinct stage as a unique room. In each room, visualize something outlandish. For example, picture 2 strands of spaghetti swapping parts to represent crossing over. Furthermore, consistently redraw every diagram from memory. Incorporate funny doodles or personal metaphors. Practice labeling repeatedly. This method develops strong visual memory, not merely recognition from text. Sixth, create biology mnemonics that genuinely stick. Many standard mnemonics fall flat. We're aiming for delightfully bizarre ones. For instance, to remember taxonomy's hierarchy, King Philip came over for green soup. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Or for mitosis phases, try PMAT. Please make another tostada. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Even more effective? Invent your very own. The stranger it is, the more readily your brain will shout, "I recall that." 7th, implement 90-minute deep focus biology sprints. Adopt the 90-30 cycle, 90 minutes of intense study, followed by 30 minutes of a restorative break. An active break means a short walk, listening to music, or stepping away from your phone. Repeat this structure twice, then dedicate time to reviewing your biology vault. During each sprint, concentrate solely on one particular chapter. Absolutely no multitasking. Combine writing, speaking, and drawing to engage multiple senses. This approach cultivates incredible focus stamina. Ready for more? 8th, rigorously mock test yourself as if it were the actual day of reckoning. Well before your scheduled examination, dedicate time to practice. Write out complete, detailed answers. Then, grade your own work with the unforgiving precision of a tough instructor. Systematically address your weak areas by carefully tracking your errors. This transformational process will turn you into an exam-crushing machine. Expect no surprises, no last-minute anxiety, only complete mastery. Finally, the Biology Vault. Your personalized Biology Vault should contain concise topic summaries written in your own language, detailed memory palace notes, all your redrawn diagrams with labels, organized flashcard sets, and a crucial list of past exam errors. This isn't merely a notebook, it's a powerful, custom-built revision arsenal. Regard it as your personal Excalibur. You're no longer simply studying biology. Instead, you're mastering the very blueprint of life itself, achieving understanding far quicker than anyone imagined. While other students struggle, forget, and stress, you're transforming biology into a state of effortless comprehension, vivid visual memory, and advanced mental prowess. And that is precisely how you can learn biology so swiftly, it seems almost supernatural. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like for Simple Surge, like ATP delivering energy to cells. Share your funniest mnemonic in the comments below. I'll pin the top one. Don't forget to save this for future exams and hit subscribe, because next week I'm unveiling something as exciting as an origin story. You're not just a student now, you're an advanced learner. See you, future scientist. This is Simple Surge. Stay sharp, stay focused, and we'll see you, well, dominating the lab. Goodbye for now.